His Holiness, my question is, you will always say I'm a simple Buddhist monk.
Oh, yes.
But we all know that you are the Chandrazik, Avalokiti Shoraya. So could you please tell us some memories? I would be very pleased to know.
Oh, recently I think Ladakh. One small girl asked me, "Are you God?" No, Slavi. I'm a human being, Slavi. Just one. Tang Anzo, Chigi. That Parang Jawang Kundri Julia, and a Papa Genesigi, Setusta, Java Yodabachi, Paget Tempore. Tamji Timber Gindu Truba, or Chig Hagwell Genesig, the drama of Soba Zute, Yang shares Sigdua, a Mendagiore. Kanda Papa Genesig, Mixig, the Chilo Yoda, the Savage. That dinner, Tamji Timber Gindu Jazo, Gindu Trube, Yansi Trimiri. That dinner, Chene, and a country Chusabo to Ma Pe, and a Nata, country Chushibi Bicajari. At those, there is some kind of mysterious things there. I born in very remote small village in Amdo, Kumbum. Nobody knows in Lhasa officials, nobody knows that. In Pandan Ham, there is one lake in southern Tibet. One lake, you see, they opened by second Dalai Lama. Consider special lake about Pandan Hamu. So since then, their sort of tradition is when people searching reincarnation go to that lake. So the regent, after Third Dalai passed away, the regent and the concerned people visited that area, carry some puja. And then the lake shows three letters, A, Ka, Ma. A means Amdo, Ka means Kumbum. Ma, there are some different interpretation. I myself, you see, consider Ma means my name, Ha Mo Tundru, Mo Ha Mo. Then, more important, the whole valley appears in the lake, so that the structure of house or everything, not like central Tibet. Then some other indication also there. So search party sent to Kumbum. Then finally they reach my own small village. So this 14th Dalai Lama recognized by Pandan Lama. So I have, you see, some connection, but that does not mean I am something special person, nothing. I have some strong karmic link with the previous Dalai Lamas, and also because of special karmic link with previous Dalai Lama, then Pandan Lama also, you see, right from the beginning, always helping me. So it is not baseless to say Dalai Lama have something special. There are some sort of things there like that. So I always consider just one simple Buddhist monk and one of the 7 billion human beings. That's a reality. Then each human being, you see, due to previous limitless lives, some sort of impact from these previous life. Then one, I think, great thing is, one, my previous life was in Egypt, in Egyptian prison. Perhaps I may be mischievous person, so put in prison. So the Pharaoh, you know, Egyptian king, Pharaoh, on top of the sort of place, Pharaoh there, among the prisoners, I feel very afraid. Then the Pharaoh, you see, instructed, now this person now relieved from prison. I feel very happy. So since our sort of theory, limitless life, go like that. And then more positive way, I remember, according to my dream, I'm one of the great Indian master, Krishna. I have some sort of memory about that person. And then among Tibetan, the person who established Devu Monastery, I have very clear sort of dream. That is one of my previous life. So, like that. There's nothing special. Each of you have previous life, some form of, including a prisoner like me. We all have, you see, different sort of lives, like that. So important is this very life now should carry meaningful life. Meaningful means if you can help other people, do it. If not, at least restrain harming other. That's the meaningful life. Okay.